Hello to my amazing third graders. We talked about comparing numbers yesterday, and we did more addition with renaming both the tens and the ones. Today we're going to do ordering numbers and even more addition with renaming the tens and ones. So let's review ordering numbers. I know we talked about that a little bit in the chapter before, but we're just going to review and practice really fast. So if I have the number 329, I have the number 69, and I have the number 323. I want to put them in order from the least to the greatest. So we know that when we're comparing numbers, we want to look for the least, which is the smallest number, to the greatest. For this problem, that's what we want to do. So we're going to start by looking at our hundreds place. So I'm going to choose a different color. In our hundreds place here, we have a 3. We don't have anything in the hundreds place here. And in this hundreds place, we have 3. Well, we know if we want to do the smallest number, it would be 69 because I don't have any hundreds in 69. So we would put that there. Our next two numbers both have 3 in the hundreds place. So then we have to go look at the tens. This number has a 2, and this number has a 2. Since they both have 3s in the hundreds and 2s in the tens, we have to go to our ones. This number has a 9. This number has a 3. So if we want to look for the next smallest number, we would get 323 because 3 is smaller than 9. Then our biggest number would be 329. So we've put these in order from least to greatest. We're going to do one more example. This should be a review, like I said, of what we did last chapter 2. All right. So let's try these numbers. I'm going to do 91. Then I'm going to do 109. Then I'm going to do 96. And then I have the number 116. And I want to put these in order from the least, I'm just going to put an L down here this time, to greatest with a G. So we start with our number in the hundreds place. When we look at 91, there is no number there. It's like having a 0 there in your hundreds place. When we look at 109, we have a 1 in our hundreds place. When we look at 96, we don't have anything in our hundreds place. When we look at 116, you're going to see that it has a 1 in its hundreds place. So we know that 0 is smaller than 1. So the two numbers we're going to look at is 91 and 96 first. So we know that we have to look at our tens. When we underline our tens in both of these numbers, 91 and 96 both have a 9 in the tens place. So then what we're going to do is we are going to look at our ones place. So this 91 has a 1 and 96 has a 6. So we know 91 would be our smallest number, then 96, because that number doesn't have anything in the hundreds place either. Now we have 100, so I'm going to cross these numbers off because we've used them. Now we have 109 and 116. So we're going to look at our tens place on these numbers. There's a 0 in this one and a 1 in this one. So again, I'm looking for the next. Well, I've got 91, 96, and the next smallest number going towards the greatest would be 109 because 0 is smaller than 1. And my biggest number would be 116. All right. So that is going to help you with your homework on comparing numbers. Now we're going to do a couple of addition problems just to make sure we understand it. Remember, you should be practicing those math facts, whether on Bottle or you can play a game with your mom and dad, maybe see if they can call out a problem and see how long it takes you to add it. do those kind of fun things to help remember your math facts, okay? So this is what we're going to do now. We're going to do 3-digit addition. 379 plus 445. Remember, when we add, we always start here at our ones place, okay? So we have 9 plus 5. What is 9 plus 5, class? 14. So you're going to put your 4 here. And remember, I have that 1, and I have to bring it over here. Don't forget to add that 1, okay, at the top. So I have 1 plus 7 plus 4, which gives me what? 12. That's right. Then I have to bring that 1 over here again. What's 3 plus 4, or 1 plus 3 plus 4? 8. So this is my answer. Now, if you need to do a picture, that is totally fine, okay? So you would just come over here and do the picture. 300s, 400s, 7 10s, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 4 10s, 1 2 3 4, 9 1s, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and 5 1s, 1 2 3 4 5. So when I count them together, I know that when I add 9 to 5, I get 10 right here. And that's going to make me bring those over and become a 10. So now I'm going to erase those ones because I turned them over to a 10. And I'm going to count how many ones I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have a 4. Now I'm going to do the same thing but with my 10s. Remember, when I have 10 10s, that equals a 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to group these all together and bring them over here and make them a 100. Then I'm going to erase these. And I have 2 10s left. Then I'm going to add my hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you need to draw the picture, that's okay. If you don't need to draw the picture and you can just add like you did, that's fine too. Okay, one more example, and what I want y'all to do now is pause the video after I give the numbers, and I want you to try this problem on your own before we before we end this video. So we're going to try this number, 564 plus 97. Okay, pause it real fast and try this one on your own. Okay, you should have tried it on your own. We're going to do 4 plus 7, which we know is 11. Bring my 1 over. I have 1 plus 6 plus 9, which gives me 16. Bring this one over. 5 plus 1 gives me 6. If we need to draw the picture, we can. 500s. And then I have 9 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. We know 4 plus 7 is 11. I'm going to group all these together and move them over here. Make them a 10. Then I'm going to erase all these ones because I turned them into a 10. And I have a 1 left in my ones place. Now we know if I have 10 10s, I turn them into a 100. So I'm going to circle these 10 right here and turn them into a 100. I'm going to erase these because I turned them into a 100. And I see that I have 6 10s. Then I'm going to count my hundreds. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Either way, you get the same answer. You get 661. Now, I have one more thing to show you. I'll show you how to do one, and then we're going to try to have you do an example. So we are going to try 2 and 3 digit numbers with 3 add-ins. So let's watch this first one. You're going to have 25 plus 11 plus 36. Okay? So I'm going to add my ones first. I have 5 plus 1 plus 6. We know 5 plus 1 is 6, and 6 plus 6 is 12. Bring my 1 over. I have 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3. So we know that 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. So your answer is 72. If you need to draw a picture, you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. If I have more than 10 ones, I can add them together. Move them over here. Whoops, and make a 10. Then I'm going to erase these because we know that I use them to turn them into a 10. 2 in my ones place, and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and my 10s. Either way, draw a picture, or if you know how to add it up like that, that's fine as well. We'll do one more example. If you feel you're ready to try this on your own and pausing the video, you can. If you want to watch another one, you can. So this time we're going to do numbers in the hundreds place. So we're going to do 263 plus 412 plus 151. If you want to pause it and try it on your own, you can. If you want to watch me walk through it, that's fine too. So we always start with our ones. We have 3 plus 2 plus 1. We know 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 more is 6. Then we have 6 plus 1 plus 5. When you add those together, you get 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. Bring your 1 over. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 4 is 7. Plus 1 more is 8. You can draw a picture if you need to. 200s, 400s, 100, 6 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do your 1s, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Now we know that when I add up my 1s, I do not get a number bigger than 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 here. When I add up my 10s, I do get a number bigger than 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, or bigger than 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's going to be 100 right there. Okay. I'm going to move those over here into 100. Then I'm going to erase these because I used them to turn them into a 100. And I see that I have 2 left in my 10s. Then I'm going to add my hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, very last problem. This one I do want you to try on your own. So pause the video after I've given you the numbers. Try it, and then we'll check it together. Okay? Here we go. Last one. 354 plus 213 plus 232. Pause the video and try it on your own. All right, you should have paused it, tried it on your own. Let's check it together and see how you did. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 2 more is 9. 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 3 more is 9. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 2 is 7. This one didn't have any carrying. You just had to add straight down. I hope this helps you with your homework. I can't wait to see how you did when you come back and see me on Tuesday. Have a great weekend and a great rest of your day. Bye.